Yeah, it runs non-stop.
That's fucking warm water. It's right here. See that? Oh, right here. It's probably right here.
It's just spinning.
I don't even feel comfortable fixing my house up because they could easily have a leak upstairs and that shit could be, it could come downstairs and wet up everything down here. My whole entire floor is done in the kitchen all the way to the front of the house. That's all.
Okay, get that off.
Yıllar gılıfası. Yıllar gılıfası.
Before I realized it stopped working. So, just warning you. It won't flush. It probably is.
No. These two marks are the sink, exactly where the sink is gonna be. And that's exactly where the grill gonna be.
I'm gonna stub it out right over here.
So yeah,
And
just
a hot and cold right
bring
here.
it, yeah. Bring it, yeah, that's somewhere between. And if you bring it inside here, then let the electrician do whatever he needs to do with it.